In this video, I'll show you how to send a disciple request in Where Winds Meet. Now, all you need to do is simply find the player who you want to form a master-disciple relationship with. And once you've done that, look for the interact icon on top of them and select it. Once you've selected it, you should be able to view the player profile. From here, simply look for disciple request and select it. And then all you need to do is simply wait for the player to go ahead and accept your discipleship apprenticeship. Once you've done that, you can see you've been successfully accepted as an apprentice. So now all you need to do is simply go to the welcome sect, complete a few tasks, and you'll have successfully formed a master-disciple relationship in Where Winds Meet. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video.